My demon side don't, my demon side don't, my demon side don't want none unless you Jimmy Novak, hun. Boy toy named Dean used to live in Kansas. Big dope dealing weapons, he was getting some coins. Was in shootout with the law, but he had an Impala. Bought me demon hunting kits, he was keeping me safe. Now that's real, real, real. Gun in my pocket, dude, we came just to kill. Who wanted that first? We had them crying proudly. I'm tired as hell, I only ate a slice of pie. I'm really done now, by the way. Want to say? He can tell I'm doing this shit. Come through and killing in my automobile. Let him eat it with his teeth. He's telling me to kill. He's telling me to kill. Tell him all the brutally killed. He said he don't like him living. He wants something he can kill. So he put him in the bag and he hit him with a jab like, whatever.